Hi guys, so we're back again at Offord Cluny level crossing in Bedfordshire with AB Trains and Ken Train Spotter. There we go, this is the third time I'm trying doing this video. Time now is 15:17 on Thursday the 21st of February 2019, and this is for your 1520 1 Delta 73 Grand Central Subs in London King's Cross to Bradford interchange.
There's only one that's LNER livery, and that's going to replace the East Midlands set. You know that.
And when I mean by third time making this video, it's the third time I'm trying to make the first video at this crossing, because iPad keeps on saying, "Hey, you've run out of memory, I'm shutting yourself." Hopefully this will be a perfect one, because now because of this I've missed 2 passing trains and 3 other trains, 2 Thameslink and 3 London North Easterns. So hopefully I'll get this Grand Central in this video.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's reasonably regular. It was on yesterday.
Here she is. We've got 180, 103, 180, 103 to Bradford interchange, and up they go. Thank you guys, we'll see you in the next video.